Oh, that shit broken then. What's going on, guys? Today we will be filming a wheel install on Sachi's BRZ. But before we get to that, I have some news for you guys. So, as many of you know, I have a Type R. And recently I had a lot of plans for this thing, but I just found out that there is a slight ticking noise, and that brought up a lot of concern with me because I come from a Subaru STI that blew the motor. So I'm very familiar with rod knock, and I am scared shitless that this car gets rod knock. So I've been taking it easy on it. As many of you guys know, I beat on this shit almost like every day. I take it to the mountains. I put really fun miles on it. And so, that being said, I had a lot of plans for this. We were going to go downpipe. We were going to go intercooler, turbo inlet. We were going to make some nice power on this. But sadly, right now, that came to a halt. I honestly don't know what the ticking noise is. Some people say it could be the start of rod knock. Others say it's just valve adjustments needed. But until I get that sorted out, this car is probably going to be driven a lot less and maybe not as seen in the channel. It does suck because it's my only car right now. But, it is what it is. I want the car to be healthy, so I will do whatever it takes to get this back on the road. Until then, I did take it to the dealership today, and they told me that it shouldn't be a big problem because I have no codes. Usually they say that if it's catastrophic failure, there should be a lot of codes on the dash, but there's no codes, and it doesn't sound as bad as some say. So it looks like it's nothing, but I'm paranoid because I had an STI that blew up. So as of now, I think we're just gonna take it easy on the car. I still have a lot of plans with this, but I think we're just gonna settle down, really think about it, trying to make sure that the car is healthy before I do anything else to it, because right now it's still under warranty. If something does happen, I could just take it to Honda and figure it out. But once we go FBO, who knows, right? So for now, that's it about the Type R. I do have other things going on. So I'm actually in school. I don't know if you guys knew that, but I go to UCSD and it's been very busy. It's nearing the end of the quarter, so I have lots of tests, lots of presentations, lots of projects going on. So filming videos has just not been easy right now. But today I will bring some content to you guys, and we're actually going to be installing an aftermarket steering wheel on Sachi's BRZ. We're actually just waiting for him to pull up. He went to go pick up the stuff because he ordered it to his house, and we don't live together. So yeah, I'll catch up to you guys when he gets here. Actually, before Sachi gets here, I just wanted to ask you guys, do you guys think I should be going for more power? Should we be pushing the engine, or should be going for aesthetic looks? I'm honestly torn because I want white wheels. I was thinking of getting some Advan GTs. I want side skirts because my side skirts are busted. I want a front lip, and I want a diffuser. But I also want to go FBO. So I'm torn. I mean, eventually I would be doing everything, but I don't know where to start. Should I go for more power, or should I go for a nicer look? Because my car is stock, visually speaking, besides exhaust and wheels. My wheels aren't too bad, but I got bored of them. I don't know why. I feel like the color is just not as aggressive. The blue stands out, so I think white wheels would look amazing. And I know many are going to say that white wheels only look good the first day you get them, and then after it's just horrible, but I do have intentions of ceramic coating them and cleaning them pretty often, so let me know. Should I go for power or looks? What do you think, babe?
I think you should go for power.
Power?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got one vote for power. So let me know down below in the comments if I should do power or looks. Or just hit me up a DM on Instagram.
Hashtag power.
Hashtag power. So we got one vote winning right now. It looks like we're probably going to be doing power, but at the end of the day, who knows? I change my mind really often. Oh yeah, I didn't tell you guys, but I was actually thinking about copying an Integra and doing like a JDM conversion up front. But yeah, it looks like I'm going to be saving my money just in case this shit is about to blow. But yeah, let me know. Power or looks? You gonna be the camera girl?
Yes. Tell me about your car.
Well, it's a Type R.
That's it.
Yeah, it's blue.
That's it. I thought it was Boost Blue.
Oh, it's boost blue. Yeah, because it's boosted. It makes cool noises. You
Like
want to
what?
hear it?
Yeah.
Yeah? You want to hear it? All right.
Yeah.
All right. We just gotta let it warm up a little bit. Just a little bit. How'd that sound?
Amazing.
It's cool, huh?
Yeah.
I haven't actually ever touched on this before, but I did install a PRL. I think it's called HVI, high volume intake. I did the street version simply because I heard a lot of things about the race version. The bigger board causes for some issues with fuel trimming and stuff. And since I don't have any intentions of doing a Pro Tune just yet, I decided to go with the street. Eventually, once I do FBO, I will be swapping this out for the race version. The Type R makes some really cool noises.
Steering wheel, and one of them is a hub. Take a guess. Take a guess where the steering wheel is.
This one's a steering wheel. You got the smallest one. Ooh. Oh, that is small.
It's tiny.
That is small.
That's perfect though.
That is small though, I'm not gonna lie. Let me see, open it, open it. Woo! Nah, but for your car, like, I feel like it'll be good. I don't think I could run that small on my Type R simply because it'll hide the what is it called? The cluster?
Well, I'm gonna keep my this like deletes my cruise control, but I'm gonna keep it. Nah, but that's fucking perfect for me. Like because the diameter from here to here feels the same, but this which blocks my vision a lot in my car is like with shorter.
Let me see.
Like this diameter to me feels the same.
Wow.
But
Hey, it looks
tiny as shit, dude.
It looks good though.
That looks good.
It has girth.
Yeah.
Oof. Here, hold it. Show the camera real quick.
Sorry.
So it's a Momo steering wheel, 320.
20 millimeter.
320 millimeter. It is tiny, but we are like the tallest fucking human beings. So
Titanium as fuck.
let me see.
Titanium as fuck, bro.
Oh, these. Yeah, dude, you bought like 1,000 of these. What the fuck? We got the Temu special.
There's a Temu spec.
No, I remember that they don't come with screws. But yeah, we're gonna figure out what the fuck we're doing first, and then I'll show you guys the process of installing it. Yeah, that's fine. I mean, they'll hide. So currently, this is what the interior looks like. So I don't know if you guys can pick it up, but OEM and not OEM. All right, so we just disconnected the battery. We think, allegedly. So yeah, disconnect your battery first so that you don't trigger the airbag. And then you gotta what? Take off the covers. Technical difficulties. Alright, so we just popped out the clips. There were actually 3 clips. They look like rods, so all you gotta do is push the rod in and it'll pop out.
Another 10-minute struggle.
No, that one's easier. So this is a part where the bag pops. Oh, chilling. So there's 2 clips, black and orange. Take those off. And then there is I assume that's the SRS, right? The SRS cable?
This is the...
Or the horn.
No.
That's the horn. Yeah, never mind. You should just be able to pull it on it. Pull on it.
Scared. Oh,
There you go. So we took off the...
This is a lifesaver that we're getting rid of.
Yeah. It's okay, you don't need that. We don't crash out here.
No question.
Insert clip. Okay, so far it's not that bad. 2 clips and the horn. And then now we're gonna be taking off the this is the nut, right? The big nut in the middle?
Yeah.
So before we take off the nut, unplug the cruise control.
What that bitch do?
So we're not gonna take it all the way out, right?
No.
Okay, so we loosen the nut, but we're gonna keep it a little bit on the thread so that when we yank on it, nice, it doesn't hit your head.
Oh,
What happened?
shit. Keep it in the middle. Keep it straight. Looks like the biggest thing. Fuck. I don't know if we actually fucked it or not. That's not supposed to move. Well, you don't want it to move.
Alright, so side note, don't let that shit move. So you want to make sure that the clock screen is straight, because if it's not straight, the wheel will be somewhat bent. Right now we're plugging in the resistors so that the SRS light doesn't turn on, or the airbag light.
The fuck is SRS?
Pretty sure that's what comes up when you don't have an airbag. I think. I might be dumb.
ABS?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
No. ABS is your braking system.
Who's the dumbass now? Swear to God, if there's any play in that bitch, I'm about to fucking lose it, boy.
You about to lose it?
I'm about to fucking lose
You're about
it,
to
boy.
fucking lose it, bro. You've been losing it.
Looks pretty.
Hmm?
Looks pretty straight to me, boy.
Yeah, no, looks good. Looks good.
Looks pretty straight to me, boy. Perro, fool.
Oh, no, that shit ain't going nowhere.
Better not, boy. I'm about to fucking lose it.
You're about to fucking lose it. Now we're gonna put on the...
Nothing but the tide, boy.
We're gonna put the quick release now. So now we just gotta connect the horn. One's the horn and then the other one's the ground. We're adding electrical tape to the ground because if it touches any other ground, it'll beep your horn. It'll go beep. The lights just automatically came on. I forgot we had lights, so I'm sorry for the previous footage. We've been working in the dark right now. Oh, but it's finally on. Oh, you just fucked it. We're finally hooking up the wheel. And then after this, we're going to be hooking up the horn. It took a little bit to figure out how the horn was getting set up, but we got it. And I'll show you guys the update when we're done. We just finished putting the wheel together. Clip that shit in. My boy's a bot. You don't have to like click it, like the back.
No. Sure, I have to.
Oh, that shit broken then. Yeah. So he goes to school, puts that shit, clips it on his backpack.
My backpack.
He's gonna be a JDM boy.
And then I do that.
Looks good. The horn works. And it actually doesn't look that tiny. Ooh. How does it feel? It's not too small?
Oh, this is perfect distance, bro. Perfect distance.
It looks clean. It's a little girthier than mine. I don't know if I'll get used to that.
You're not gonna be driving this car.
No, that's the wheel I was gonna get for my car.
Oh.
It looks good.
Start. Did you connect the battery again?
Oh yeah. Ooh. Wait, your wheels aren't moving. Do it? That was funny. Now you're gonna put on your dash? Like the cool boys? No, al revés. Like that.
Fuck up my
Ooh, woo. I can't do that because my car has rod knock. So as you can see, we just got the wheel on. It looks really good. This is actually going to be the wheel that I was going to get for the Type R. But unfortunately, Saatchi beat me to it. So we shall see. I don't know if I'm going to go aftermarket steering wheel yet. Just because the Type R has a lot of like infotainment shit right on the steering wheel right here. But who knows? This is kind of sick. So he decided to go with Momo. And then you got the Energy quick release. It looks good. It actually doesn't look that small. I don't know if you guys can gauge on camera, but this is like my head POV and it looks good. The clusters are fine. It looks perfect because, you know, we're giants. So 320 is perfect. And it looks, honestly, it looks really good in this interior. Black leather on red stitching. And basically his whole interior is black. We did this recently. So this is blacked out. It used to be like silverish color. We got red stitching here, so it matches nicely. But yeah, that'll be it, guys. Thanks for watching. You want to say bye?
Bye.
Yo, gotta say bye to the vlogs.
If you don't ever see me again, it's because I fucking crashed because I didn't have no airbag.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, disclaimer. If you guys get an aftermarket steering wheel, you're getting rid of your airbag. So this
is a race car.
This one right here.
This is a race car.
This is gone.
This is a race car.
If he crashes, and he actually has a pretty good record of crashing. He's gone. So everybody in the comments say rip Saatchi, cause motherfucker got no airbag.
Who
but hey,
farted?
we actually don't be crashing out here no more. Huh? We just signed a 10-year contract. We can't be crashing out here. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Momo wheel install. And comment down below what I should do with the Type R. Should I go power? More power, baby? Or should I go good looks? Because honestly, I don't know. But yeah, help me out with that question. And I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Peace out. Little BTS right now. We got the collection sticker right here of everything we've installed on any of our cars. We just added NRG to the fucking toolbox. It looks good. Woo! She looks healthy. Better than my car. And this car is not known for its reliability. Oh, if y'all didn't know, I have some stickers available. If you in San Diego, make sure to cop your stickers. Show your support for Lucky 7. We're not a racing team yet, but...
Yeah, we are. That's how we got our racing steering.
Oh yeah, we got a racing license and everything. Yep, we earned that shit at Hamul. Going off-road. This is the white variant. What's going on? What's going on?
Let me walk you through what I do at work. 10 times a day.
You're a fluid checker.
I'm
Got
a
it.
damn fluid checker.
Yo. And he didn't mention this, but he actually added the KN filter.
Goddamn race car, boy.
He's a fucking race car now. That shit adds 20 horsepower, confirmed. Oof. Your car doesn't look that beat anymore. No, it still looks beat, not gonna lie. Alright. This should be it, guys.